Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a lot of you have been asking me how to get rid of acne and those dirty scars it leaves behind, and the answer is always aloe vera guys. Be it any kind of skin problem, be it acne, hyperpigmentation, or the bad dirty scars or anything, aloe vera is also always going to work like miracle on your skin. And it has been part of my skincare regime since a really long time. I apply it before sleeping on my face, and when I wake up with a clear and a most beautiful skin guys. So apparently I don't have acne problem, and I'm fortunate enough and thankful to God that I don't have them. But my sister is suffering from acne since a really long time, and she was looking for some kind of quick solution. So I told her to experiment with aloe vera for 7 days just to see how well does it work. So guys, I carried out this experiment on her, applying raw aloe vera on her every day using a fresh leaf, and we continued it for 7 days, and at this last day the results were amazing, and I want to show you the guys same, and I recorded it on my camera every day. So guys, take a look. And also, if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And let's get into the video guys. So guys, these were the results we got, and we were really happy at the end of the day. Although it created a little bit of irritation once you apply it on your face, it may create a little bit of that itch, and she used to complain to me all the time about that. But that's okay, because the results you're gonna reap are going to be really amazing. And also, if you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to carry out more experimental videos on these beauty and skincare regime, just let me know. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Also, do not forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you do not miss any update from my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Answer is always aloe vera gel. So guys, aloe vera gel has lots of